Hello! We're excited to help you boost your business by offering purchasing incentives to your buyers. By the time you finish this video, you'll know how to offer order discounts, set up volume pricing discounts, create sales events and markdowns, offer discounts on shipping, create codeless coupons, and navigate your promotions dashboard. To get started, head to the marketing page in your Seller Hub. Click on the marketing link and then promotions. Offering discounts is a great way to incentivize larger cart size purchases. Let's start with order discounts. To do this, select Create a Promotion and then Order Discount. You can allow the system to choose the offer based on what you selected as the category and objective in the Select Offer Type section. Or you can create your own offer. Select the offer type based on amount spent, quantity purchased, buy one get one offers, or simply a flat dollar amount or percentage off. After you make your selection, click Select Items, where you will select items either by placing a check mark next to those you want to include in your promotion or by creating rules that apply to a full category of items. This is a great option for sellers with large volume inventory. Click Select Items. Here, you can easily sort or select by category, price range, or item title. You can also view your full inventory if you like. You can select multiple items that qualify for the offer so buyers can mix and match items. Make your selections, and then click on Confirm. Next, you should review what you've added and make any final revisions if needed. Then, click Save and Review. We're almost done. Before you launch your promotion, you'll want to name your offer and choose the dates you want your promotion to run. At certain times of the year, such as upcoming holidays, the Show Retail Calendar feature is a nice tool to help you choose the products to promote at the best times. Once you've selected your dates, you'll want to create the offer description your buyers will see. Choose an image for your offer, which may be different from the item image, and preview the offer title. When you're happy with your offer, select Launch. Now, let's move on to volume discounts through volume pricing. Volume pricing is generally geared to business customers who are looking for discounts on large quantities of a particular item. Choose your offer name, then select your pricing tier. Now, move on to select the item you wish to apply a volume discount to. Keep in mind that although you can choose multiple items for this promotion, your buyer cannot mix and match items. Volume discounts only apply to multiples of a specific item. Next, you'll review what you've added and make revisions as needed. Then, click Save and Review. Choose your date range. Make sure everything looks good. Then, select Launch. Now, let's talk about sale events and markdowns. When creating a sale event or markdown, you can select a percentage off or a dollar amount off. We already discussed the select items flow when we talked about order discounts. So this time, let's create rules using categories. After you select Create Rules, you can sort by eBay categories, store categories, or all inventory, and then choose one or more categories that you'd like to include in your promotion. This will automatically include all items within those categories. If you'd like to exclude certain items from those categories, you can apply filters that are applicable for that category. For example, you can add a rule to only offer a markdown for items within a price range you set. Select Save and Review, then proceed through a similar flow as order discount. Now let's move on to shipping discounts. Shipping discounts allow the buyer to either pay less for shipping or receive their order faster. To set up the shipping discount, you'll need to select the minimum order amount, minimum quantity, or you can choose no minimum. For example, if you want someone to spend $20 or more to receive free shipping, just choose the minimum order, choose the minimum purchase amount, and then choose the promotional shipping offer. Next, choose the items you want to include or exclude from this offer by category and subcategory, or you can restrict inventory by SKU or item ID. Then, add a description for your buyer to see, schedule your offer, and add an image. If you have multiple offers running at the same time, you'll need to select a priority for this offer. You'll simply order your offer priorities based on which you'd like your buyers to take advantage of, but your buyer will still have the final choice as to which one they select. Click Submit, and that's it. Want to engage your social media following or create an email marketing campaign? Then you'll be interested in Codeless coupons. As their name suggests, these coupons don't have codes, so they are only available to those with access to the unique URL you create for the discount. Codeless coupons do require rules, so you'll need to select the minimum order amount or the minimum quantity. For example, if you want someone to purchase 3 items or more to receive a $5 discount, just choose minimum quantity, choose the minimum purchase quantity, and then choose the purchase discount. Next, you'll either choose the items you want to include or exclude from this offer, which can be done by your whole store, eBay category, or My Store category, including subcategories. Or, if you prefer, you can restrict inventory by SKU or item ID. Then, add a description for your buyer to see. Schedule your offer. Select Submit, and that's it. To find the URL link for your Codeless coupon, start at your marketing page, find your offer, and select View. Then, simply copy the offer link or the short URL. We're almost finished. Your promotions dashboard is one more tool we'd like to cover with you. Your promotions dashboard displays data based on current promotions. Your base sales relate to items that don't have any active promotions, and promotion sales relate to items that do. You can also see your current promotions and take action to pause, end, copy, or edit those promotions. Finally, you can download promotion reports to analyze a campaign's performance and determine what adjustments are needed to maximize results in future campaigns. To recap, you've just learned how to create order discounts, set up volume pricing discounts, create sale event and markdowns, offer discounts on shipping, create codeless coupons, and use your promotions dashboard. Ready to give it a try? Head to your promotions and seller hub to get started. Thanks for watching.